And here's the buckle I found. So you can see it's been in the ground for a while. And I also found another penny, and I didn't video that one, but it is a 1959 penny. So that goes back a ways. And I also found this, and that wasn't very far down, and I know that that's probably from the cable guys here a year or so ago when they redid my cable line. So yeah, found a couple things, and along with some more trash. But finding this, I think, was a fluke, because I had my discrimination on, and right next to it I did find a little piece of trash that had a high tone. And this, you'll see from the video that it did not, once I was trying to go over it, it didn't sound off at all, because I had my discrimination on. I had discriminated this out. So if the other thing hadn't been close by it, and I hadn't dug right there, I would not have found this.